In this video, I'll guide you through how to build a dynamic abandoned cart email in Klaviyo. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to optimize your existing flows, this tutorial will help you create a personalized experience for your customers, encouraging them to complete their purchases. Let's dive in and make those abandoned carts a thing of the past. First, you'll want to open your abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo. This flow should be triggered by the started checkout metric, ensuring that it captures customers who have begun but not completed the checkout process. This setup is crucial because it allows you to target precisely those users who are most likely to return and finish their transaction if nudged the right way. Next, find and click on the specific email block that you want to edit within this flow. Once you've located it, click on Edit Content. This will open Klaviyo's intuitive drag-and-drop template designer, where you can start crafting your email to better engage potential customers. Once inside the template designer, look to the left-hand panel. Here, you will find various elements you can add to your email. In this case, you need to drag a table block from this panel and drop it into your email template layout. The table block is essential because it allows for the dynamic display of products left in the cart, giving your email the personal touch that can make all the difference. After you've added the table block to your email, ensure that it's selected by clicking on it. With the table block active, navigate back to the left-hand panel and click on the Rows tab. This tab will provide options specific to the table block, allowing you to customize how product information is displayed. Now, as you look through the options under the Rows tab, you'll want to find the toggle or link labeled Repeat Block. Depending on your interface, this option might be nested under Display Options or Table Settings, so take a moment to look through those sections if it's not immediately visible. Once you've located it, turn the Repeat Block toggle on. This step is crucial because it enables the email to dynamically repeat the block for each item the customer left in their cart, making the email not just a reminder, but a personalized showcase of what they're missing out on. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've built a dynamic abandoned cart email in Klaviyo. By using this enhanced method, your emails will now dynamically pull in the data for each abandoned item, creating a tailored message that can significantly increase your conversion rates. Remember, the key to successful email marketing lies in personalization and relevance, so take advantage of these features to connect with your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your email marketing strategies. Happy emailing!